Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Traveling Gun. My name is Thomas. I am a regional flight attendant. For those who are new, please be sure to subscribe. Tell my returning subscribers, thank you for the support. I do appreciate it. Today, I begin a 4-day trip. This is my trip before Thanksgiving. Somewhere before this trip, I swapped it out and I mixed this trip with another trip to make it worth the credit hour, because I only had 1 day off before that, and I know they didn't give it to me that way. Something happened. I just can't remember what it is. But today's just a 3-leg day. I go from Atlanta to Wilmington, back to Atlanta, and then back to Wilmington tonight. So it's a pretty easy, simple day. Hopefully it goes very uneventful. There's no weather. There's nothing. So hopefully everything goes as smooth as possible. But I'll see you guys a little bit later on once I get to Wilmington tonight. I'm finna go catch the shuttle that I see is pulling up right now. So I'll see you guys later. How y'all doing today? I made it to Wilmington. Just give me a second to turn on some light here. Today was a day for the days, I should say. You know, just supposed to be a quick flight back and forth to here in Atlanta, but first flight of the day, ended up having a maintenance delay. Computer broke down, so that delayed us about an hour and some change. So we were already behind for an hour and some change, and then when I landed in Wilmington finally, crew scheduling updated my schedule. So tomorrow I was supposed to just deadhead early in the morning, about 6:30, do a Bahamas turn, and then deadhead to Birmingham. Now what I do is I leave later here, deadhead to Atlanta, sit for about an hour and a half, then deadhead to Birmingham, and then I'm done. So I don't really work tomorrow at all. And I'm not complaining whatsoever because I'm still going to get paid. But I think it still has something to do with the rest being reduced. So that's why they went ahead and did it, because my whole crew got their schedule changed. Even though I'm not working with them for the remaining 3 days, but their schedule got changed as well. So that's all that happened. I'm hungry. I have a headache because I'm hungry, because I haven't eaten since this morning, since I left the house, and I'm not working out tonight. I'm gonna eat some chili that I made yesterday, and I made some lo mein, so that's what I brought, some chili and lo mein to eat for the rest of this 3-day trip. So I'm finna get down to eating and getting some rest, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 2. Good morning, everybody. Today is day 2, and I'm so ready for this busy day. That's just me being sarcastic. So it's a super easy day. I just do 2 deadheads, hopefully. I do have a sit in Atlanta. They can swap me out with something if somebody's delayed, because there's really nothing in open time. So, and I don't know if I told you all, but I think I shot myself in the foot by dropping a trip that I had at the beginning of December. Now, our grid is so green, the reserves are dropping, they're just picking up anything. So there's no trips to pick up for the first half of the month of December. Nobody's giving up their trips because everybody's able to drop. So it looks like I'm gonna have to pick up on Christmas just to make up for the trip that I dropped, because Christmas is, you know, time and a half or 150% or whatever. And that's what it looks like I'm gonna have to do in order, because right now I think I'm at 84 hours. You know, 88 is my limit of how low I would drop and be able to maintain, you know, everything or whatever like that. But yeah, so these new hires are coming in, learning the system really well, and they're learning, like, let me drop my reserve days and just go into open time and just start picking up. And that's what they've been doing. So there's nothing in overtime for me to swap with. So the only thing they can actually change me to is if somebody is severely late and they don't want the flight to be late, and I'll just, you know, they'll take me off course there, possibly, if that happens. So, but other than that, I'm gonna get ready to go down to this van and get ready for these 2 deadheads. Hello everybody, I've made it here to Birmingham. Today's flights were very uneventful, and they were uneventful because I didn't do anything but deadhead. For those who don't know and who are new to my channel, I spent 12 years here in Birmingham. I actually went to 2 schools here. I went to Miles College, which is a HBCU, my freshman year. Then I transferred to UAB for the remaining time of my college because Miles didn't have my major. Now, if you ask me, why did you go if they didn't have the major that you wanted? Well, for one, they were one of 2 schools that offered me a full scholarship to play football. So something happened with Savannah State, so I ended up taking this one, but I was promised that they would get my major at least by my sophomore year. And when I went at the end of my freshman year to speak to my counselor about it, they gave me a I don't know. So long story short, they didn't really get the major that I wanted to major in until my senior year of college. So that's why I transferred. But my kids live here. Like I said, I lived here for 12 years, so I'm very familiar with the area. My kids are in Atlanta, so can't see them because I've already picked them up. But they're spending Thanksgiving with my family this year, and then Christmas over there. We alternate each year for Christmas and Thanksgiving. So, but other than that, I gotta burn this energy off because I slept on both deadheads. So I'm gonna go work out to burn off this energy, or I won't be able to get up because I have to wake up at 4 o'clock for a 5 a.m. van tomorrow. So I'm finna go get to it. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for day 3. Good morning, everybody. Today is day 3. Is it? Yeah, today's day 3. And it's just 2 legs. I go from Birmingham to LaGuardia, then LaGuardia to Cincinnati, and I'm done around 1 o'clock this afternoon. So it's not a hard day either today. Like I said before, this was kind of an easy 4-day trip that I swapped out of to versus the original trip that I originally had in this spot. So again, I'm finna go downstairs. This will be my first time actually meeting my crew that I was supposed to be with yesterday doing the Bahamas turn, but it got canceled. So hopefully they didn't change the van time and not notify me. But we're gonna see. So I'm gonna get downstairs. I'll see you guys a little bit later on once I get to Cincinnati. Hello everybody, made it here to Cincinnati. Today's flights were very uneventful. We were full, meaning we had jump seaters, both jump seat, pilot's jump seat, flight attendant jump seat full. So, it's 2 days before Thanksgiving. So I now expect tomorrow, which is the day before Thanksgiving, to be packed out in the airport tomorrow. I have a 5 o'clock van for a 5:30 report because this hotel only runs every top and bottom of the hour. So we have to leave a lot earlier, and the airport is only 10 minutes away from us, but it is what it is. So a little bit after 12, I'm gonna take a nap first, and then I'm gonna go work out. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for go home day. Good morning, everybody. Today is go home day. Today is a 3-leg day. I go from Cincinnati to Minneapolis to Northwest Arkansas, then Northwest Arkansas to Atlanta, and I'm done before 3 o'clock today. I've said this before, no matter where you're leaving from, it just seems like it takes forever to get to Minneapolis from anywhere. So hopefully we have a tailwind, and that way we get to Minneapolis a lot faster. The flight is blocked out at like 2 hours, over 2 hours. Hopefully it's a lot less than that, but it just seems like it takes forever to get to Minneapolis no matter where you go. Other than that, we're gonna hopefully everything goes smoothly. It's the day before Thanksgiving, so I know it's gonna be crowded and the plane is gonna be packed. So hopefully everybody acts accordingly and we get through this day without any hiccups. So I'll see you guys once I get home to close out the video. Hello everybody, I made it back home. Today's flights were very uneventful, and that's just how we like it. I'm off for a few days, well 3 days actually, and then I start the last trip of November. Enjoy Thanksgiving with my family. I hope you all enjoyed Thanksgiving. Until next vlog, as always, hug on the ones that you love, tell the ones that you love them. I'm out.